What is up, my party people? Excuse everything. I literally just got here, like just sat down and got in my room. From home, I drove like 2 hours to get back to my school, and I actually got these in on Friday, and my comments told me it was actually my Sweetmates packages, so I left. And while I'm on the road, they're like, oh wait, you actually did have a package. And I actually, you know, when I was supposed to just go home for the weekend, my grandma had actually passed away while I was home. So it made more sense for me to, you know, stay home and wait for the services and stuff instead of going back to school and having to drive back and forth all crazy hours and gas and money that I just don't have. We are finally united with what we've been waiting for, guys. My Lean with Lilly bands, guys. So I managed to snag all the bands, and I'm really, really excited about that. Guys, I can't even wait. Okay, here they all are in here, and I just see the long bands. I just want to cry. Like, this is what I've been looking forward to since my grand passed away, just like finally opening these. Like the night before launch, I didn't even sleep. Like I was just, I was anxious. Okay, so let's just pull out the long bands first, okay? Long bands, okay, and then these rest of the bands here. I love these packaging. Yeah, okay, I'm just too hyped to talk. All right, let's stitch this bag for now. And I don't even know, we'll save the long bands for last, okay? Here's everything in its glory here. So, the gray packages say, the moment you're ready to quit is the moment a miracle is about to happen. That's really facts, okay? I just love Lilly. I just finished her 30-day challenge. I actually should make a video about that because I had some crazy results. She did, like, nicely, maybe I can insert the picture here, put me on her Instagram. I am in her Facebook page, and I want to share my results, so that's pretty cool. So let's get all the plastic actually off of these first. Use all this ruckus. Guys, this doesn't even feel real. Like, I just feel like I waited so long for this that, like, now that it's here, I don't even know what to do right now. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright, so I'm assuming these are the headbands, so let's do the adjustables first, okay? So, first adjustable. It is even more beautiful than I thought in person. Here's the Aqua Adjustable. And it's a little sack here. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, I didn't expect it to come like unassembled. So I'm assuming you just like pop her in. Let's see. I think I'm doing it the right way. Yeah. Okay. Pop her in here and pop her in there. Wow, it smells like fresh packaging. That's a fact. Okay. So here's the Aqua Adjustable. Guys, oh, I just can't even, like, I feel like even if I just got this, I'm mad hype. And this is like a really good band. Wow. And it definitely seems really easy to just, you know, pop her up and pull her through. And obviously I didn't do this. I'm just like so hyped right now. Okay. So here's the Aqua. Leave her with her sack. Next we have the black adjustable. And I'm not gonna assemble, like, well, this is not gonna assemble after that, but black adjustable. I actually like that it comes this way, so, you know, it kind of shows you, like, how to do it. I said I wasn't going to do this, but here I am. Might as well. So we can get our little photo at the end, you know. You know. So definitely, if you guys haven't and you just stumbled across this video, but I'm assuming you, like, you know about Lilly. If you have, please check her out, guys. I, you know, couldn't even handle life when the gyms closed. You know, we're closed and weren't going to open again at my school. And I was like, well, I'm not just going to sit here making excuses for myself. Over quarantine, I gained 30 pounds. And if the gyms aren't going to open, I got to do something. I can't just sit here and mope around. And I found Lilly and her workouts, and it made me fall in love with not only working out again, but like working out in my little tiny room like this, on this little tiny ground space that I have, like, and seeing crazy results, guys, in short work. I did her 30-day challenge, like I said, 30 minutes a day for 30 days, and my results were intense, guys. I'll definitely have to make that video for you. Like, I'm hype. Here is the purple rose HIIT. Oh, yeah. My arms are pretty strong, but this is definitely nice. And this is beautiful as well. Like, wow. I'm just in love with these, okay? I just love the logo, and this is a very serious non-slip in here, okay? These definitely don't seem like they're ever gonna snap, to be honest. Yeah, these are very, very durable. Okay. And last, well, second to last but not least, we have our black HIITs. Okay, yeah, it's actually not too different than the, well, actually, yeah, it is. That's not bad, though. I actually really enjoy this strength. And I think that I can use these actually for different things. So that's exciting. And, you know, I want to support Lilly as much as I can, because I just cannot repay her enough for what she's done for me. Like, honestly, you guys just don't even understand. Like, as someone who's like a Division I athlete, to lose a drive for something that you used to love is like, it's devastating, and it really takes a toll on your mind, your body, you know what I mean, everything. And the fact that she was able to give that back to me, like, you don't even know. For the finale, okay. Ooh. The long bands. Guys, these sold out in like 5 minutes. I don't even know. Okay, let's just pour them out. Can we? Guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. These are beautiful. And I just love how they match. Like, that is my favorite part. So initially, I had planned to just get the, like, the Aqua Adjustable, the black, and both the headbands, and then the long band. So I had, like, one of each color. But, I think the bundle was still, like, short of $100. And I wanted to use, like, the PayPal special financing, you know, build my credit or whatever. And then, like, they didn't have PayPal credit when I was checking out. And I was like, what? So, but I didn't have time to be going back and removing things from my cart or whatever. So I just was like, check out, whatever. And I'm just not mad that I did, because, you know, it's not bad to have 2 adjustable heads. I can use one in the gym, use whatever. But let's just, you know, take these. Oh, I knocked my broken glasses down. So here is the Aqua. And this is, I think, the medium. Then we have the strong. And then we have the extra strong. Oh yeah, extra strong, okay. And I'm really excited to see the results I can get with these, because, like, I really feel like these can not replace the gym, but, like, you know what I mean? You can really see some serious results with calisthenics, which is what she has also taught me. I was someone that was like, you know, if you want real results, you got to go to the gym. Like, my results are real, and I did not step one foot into the gym. So, like, guys, she's the truth, okay? Like, let's just put these all up and get the little flick going, right? There's our longs. Here is our HIIT. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm like blinking out. I haven't eaten yet today. And finally, our adjustable. I gotta get this pic, okay? Because this is just nutty. I feel like a proud mom. These are not even my, well, these are my babies now, but, you know, This is really like a moment. Okay, let me do it like this instead. I want all the smooth. Okay, there we go. Guys, okay. Here we go. I'm hype. I'm hype. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I definitely will have to show you guys my journey. Go check out Lilly if you haven't already. Check out these bands. She has a mini restock coming. This, I'll attach it in the description, but there's a mini restock coming of just these bands. These will be going in November for restock, but these will be restocking, I think, literally this week. So get your hands on them if you can. I didn't even try them, but I already know I've seen plenty of her videos, and I haven't seen any unboxing or reviews of them. So definitely, guys, get your hands on them when you can, okay? Thank you for watching, and take care. See you guys soon.